Yeah, guys, so good morning. Staying here. The price is $15. That's like 4,500 rupees. Yeah, it's kind of weird sleeping here. So this is my special table with a special view. So this is all included in my breakfast: omelet, samba, chapati, and sandwich. I don't know what kind of sandwich. So today, by the way, is March 10th. I booked one more day yesterday at this place. So yeah, I think a rest days, it's a smart move. You can't keep like going and going. So I'll just take the scooter now. I'm all dressed up, and I'll look for the buses for tomorrow to Misira. I don't know, it's like Misira or something. The coastline, near the bottom. We're like here in the middle, so I'm gonna go down and probably just check out that place and go back to Colombo, get a flight to Chennai, and just go back to India. And after that, I'm just gonna go up north to India, maybe even go to Rishikesh or Rajasthan. Yeah, and if I feel like it, I'll probably try out Nepal. I'll see what's Nepal all about, and then yeah, probably back to Thailand, then Cambodia, and then we'll see. If I'm out of ideas, probably I'm gonna go back home on June or July. Maybe not. We'll check out the China visa in Bangkok also. So yeah, so far that's the plan. Yeah, look, there's like monkeys on my balcony. they're running up and down the river. So the buses from here every half an hour. Last bus is 4 or 4:30, so very convenient. Hello sir, do you have tea?
There is Nestea, Nescafe, Americano, Espresso, we have.
Just
No local tea.
Just tea.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is some kind of tea plantation. Yeah, so I wanted to go to Lipton's tea plantation, but the road doesn't look so good and it's still quite far. I'm like driving half an hour and it says like 1 more hour. So yeah, the view is good from here also. So probably skip it. So there's some kind of viewpoint close to this temple. I'm gonna check it out. Yeah, this viewpoint looks kind of cool. Yeah, so that chicken cutlet is basically like some kind of bread with chicken, vegetables, I don't know what kind of this sauce is, but it's like roti inside, like roti bread. Yeah, so I'm back home. Not much to do anymore, I don't know. Monkeys jumping on the roof on these lines, kind of funny. I don't know if you saw, but today there were 2 here. Like, I tried to film it. So yeah, I know I'm pretty much ending my day. So this could be, yeah, this day March final video. Yeah, so just returned my scooter and there's nothing to do at home. Like, sit on the balcony, a lot of mosquitoes, no electricity, so I don't know what to do. Like, it's still sunny. Yeah, so I paid for 3 nights and 2 days for scooter, including breakfast. 3 nights, 16,000. So that's €50.